It's so often that people end up neglecting their guest room. It's usually the last room in the house that people think about when it comes to design. So today I'm going to drop 3 ways that you can make sure your guests are always comfortable when they come and stay with you and leave feeling very rejuvenated. All right, starting with number 3, you always want to make sure that your bedside tables are fully stocked with 2 major items. So you want to make sure there is an ambient light here that someone can turn on and off in the bed, because there's nothing worse than having to get up and turn the switch off and run back to the bed in the dark. And then the second thing is super simple, but just to make sure that you're stocked with charging, anything that's going to make your guests stay more comfortable for them. Now for number 2, you want to always make sure that your bed is set for all types of sleepers. So making sure that it's nice and layered. We always say we want a sheet, so something that's nice, flat, thin. Then we want something a little heavier than that, so a comforter or a duvet with an insert. And then at the end of the bed, we always have that other function of something that's extra warm for someone who sleeps cold, so a throw or a quilt. Before we get to the very first item that I think is the most important, I want to remind you guys to please like and subscribe. We work really hard to bring this information to you guys and to show you some of our beautiful designs and how we implement functional elements as well. For number 1, the very important thing is to always make sure you have drapery in your space, but not just any old drapery. We always recommend blackout drapes. Specifically that runs the whole way to the ground. That way your guests can sleep soundly with no light intruding their rest. So those are our top 3 things that we would always recommend you implement in your guest room if you are in for a new design. We know that this will leave your guests feeling happy and comfortable, and that's of course the most important part. So thanks for joining us, and we will catch you next time.